Let's dive into the details of Android APK, Android Application Package, and AAB, Android App Bundle, files. 1. Android APK. An APK file is the traditional distribution format for Android apps. It is a file format used to distribute and install applications on Android devices. The APK contains all the compiled code, resources, images, layouts, strings, etc., and manifest file necessary to run the app on an Android device. When you build an APK, you generate a single file that contains all the necessary components of the app. The APK file can be installed on any compatible Android device, but it may contain resources in code that are not needed for certain devices, resulting in larger file sizes. APK files are commonly used for publishing apps to app stores like the Google Play Store. 2. Android App Bundle, AAB. AAB is a newer publishing format introduced by Google in 2018. It is an improved and more efficient way to distribute Android apps. An AAB file is a publishing format that contains all the app's compiled code and resources but in a more modular and optimized form. Instead of generating a single APK file, the AAB file contains a bundle of modules, each representing a different screen density, language, or architecture. When a user installs an app from the Google Play Store, the store dynamically generates an optimized APK file based on the user's device configuration by extracting only the necessary modules from the AAB. This approach reduces the app size on the device since only the required resources are installed, resulting in faster downloads and more efficient storage usage. Additionally, AABs support features like app bundles for dynamic feature delivery, which allows developers to deliver features on demand and reduce the initial download size. AAB files cannot be directly installed on devices but need to be submitted to the Google Play Store for distribution. The Play Store handles the generation of APK files based on device configurations. In summary, while APK files are the traditional format used to distribute Android apps, AAB files are a more optimized and modular publishing format introduced by Google. AABs offer benefits such as smaller app sizes, improved storage usage, and dynamic feature delivery. However, AABs require submission to the Google Play Store for distribution, while APKs can be installed directly on Android devices. We have covered everything for this tutorial. I hope this helped you. Please consider subscribing to my channel and pressing the bell button to show your support. Also, consider to like, comment and share my channel for more fun videos. Thanks for watching.